I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a concrete element and using Tailwind's arbitrary property syntax. This is fast and doesn't require extra plugins. Create a box, set width and height, and then add an arbitrary class like ClipPath, circle 50% at 50% 50%. Once done, Tailwind's JIT generates the CSS for that exact clip path, so you get a precise shape. Make sure to use underscores for spaces inside the value, and test visually. This first step gives you immediate, editable clipping in your layout. Once the quick arbitrary approach works, make clip paths maintainable by adding utilities or a plugin. Open Tailwind. Config JS and extend utilities with key names mapping to clip path values. Alternatively, add a small plugin that registers clip circle, clip hex, and clip polygon classes. This gives you readable, reusable classes and keeps HTML clean. Make sure to restart the dev server so Tailwind rebuilds. When done, you can swap shapes without rewriting long arbitrary strings and keep designs consistent. To finish, verify compatibility and polish edges. Inspect the computed clip path in developer tools and tweak the function or units for precise results. If you used plugins, confirm classes are generated in the built CSS. One key troubleshooting tip: if the clipped element vanishes, check overflow, z-index, and any parent transforms or perspective. These often break clipping. Also add a WebKit clip path fallback for older WebKit browsers. Once resolved, incorporate animations or responsive variants to complete the feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.